My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. I got about an average of 4 hours of sleep the past few nights, all for nothing. Packers just checked out 3 Adidas ZX 4000s. Holy crap. It is the 11th and that Travis Scott chalk drop was quite interesting to say the least. My mom just called me saying that someone from Packers, where I ordered my ZX 4000s from, called and said to call them back right away. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on speakerphone so you guys can hear it. I wonder what they have to say.
Packer Shoes, can I help you?
I believe you've contacted me regarding a transaction.
No, how many pairs did you order?
Only one.
What size?
11 and a half?
11 and a half, no. We have an order for an 8 or a 12.
Oh, sorry, it was a size 12.
Okay, now, need to confirm number 1, the shipping address. Problem, we'll try and get it out for you today. If not today, then tomorrow.
Alright, thank you very much, sir.
Alright, you're welcome.
Have a good day. I stuttered, bro. It is February the 12th, and this is the first of 3 Adidas ZX 4040s. Yeah, you see, I think this is supposed to be two layers, and then the second layer just kind of plopped out. As you can see the little glue line down there. Really? The packaging is like this? For a pair of $350 shoes, really now? Shall we look at the shoes? Whoa, this is freaky weird. I'm not used to this. Oh, it feels nice.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's like a honeycomb.
Oh, I see. It's supposed to pop out like this. Okay, I didn't even peep. The glue that they use is doo-doo. So I just have to remember to keep it this side up. What's the point of this, as a matter of fact? This is dumb as hell. It's not like you can have it face up like this. They literally made this flap for no reason. Package number 2. These are Off-White Air Maxes. I didn't get the W, Joy got the W, and she hits Snickers like it's nobody's business. I'm going to be buying Nike Air Skylon 2 Fear of God for $105. On Flight Club, it is currently $185. Suppose I sell it for $170 in Flight Club, that will be $136. So I can make about $20 from selling these. Even if I sell it at $150, which is the retail price of the Skylons, at Flight Club with a 20% fee, I will get a return for $120. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the trigger. Hopefully we can make a little bit of money out of this. I did a little bit more research on the prices, and according to eBay prices, I should have no problem selling these at this price. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the trigger and get another one. By the way, shout out to DevAIO from Drip Season. He had this amazing find for getting these shoes at an incredible price. So thank you, bro. Just woke up and caught a Bape Pod restock. It's selling for $500 in Flight Club. I'm pretty happy about that cop. guys, I just copped the Undefeated restock for the Air Force One bolts, and hopefully I don't get canceled. I'm still running, my tasks are still going, so hopefully we can get some more. Come on. No! My order got canceled! Oh, come on! Alright, I'm gonna keep it running, but unfortunately I think that's the end of that. Got one, got canceled. Oh well. It's 6 in the morning, my bots are ready to be fired up. I'm gonna head over to Kicks USA right now, so hopefully we can touch the item today. I'm surprised there's not other people on the other side of the store, because sometimes people try to form their own line on the other side, which is kind of bullshit, but to the back I go. 7:40. They're gonna let us in at 8 o'clock. Been standing out here for about 2 hours now. At the same time, Undefeated is gonna be dropping while we're gonna be going in, so I gotta multitask on that. Let's do it. I'm connected to my server, but I can't feel my hands. I'm gonna be pressing the wrong thing. Alright, my keywords did not pick up. I'm carding though. I'm getting server errors.
God.
Damn. Yo, this is why it's taking like 10 hours to check out while we out here dying.
He said that was it. No, bro. There's no more? Last two, man.
And this is why I don't like stepping outside of my house to buy some shoes. So I'm gonna go back home, bot, and then I'm gonna go to my eye examination. That is the plan for the rest of the day. It is 9:59 and there is 1 minute before most of the websites drop. Oh, dude, I got him! Undefeated just restocked. Oh, I carded one. Oh, SNK drop. Oh, my SNK tasks were ready. Let's go. Why is it generating checkout URL? I thought it did this already. Oh, shoot. How's the Thekickstation fam doing? What? I'm not seeing any success. Dude, I think Shopify actually stopped bots. I'm gonna try the manual. Sold out apparently. Oh shoot, I just noticed I got passed through the queue on finish line. Oh my gosh! Oh, it put me back in the queue. Hey, I got it! Let's go! Yes, 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 yes. Shout out to Drip Season and Smitty friends and family. You guys helped me cop them yellow mids. Appreciate it. just got out of work. It was a cookout. So as far as I know, I got 7 so far. Just got back home and my East Bay order is canceled. RIP. It's my first time ordering from DTLR. I got an email from them saying that I have to call them to confirm my order. I don't know how that works, but I'm gonna call them and see what happens.
Hi, thank you for calling DTLR.
I was sent an email saying that I have to confirm my order.
I can certainly help you with that. So with all that said, I'll go ahead and release your order for processing and shipping.
Does everybody have to call in to get their order confirmed?
Everybody who the fraud system says that it needs to be confirmed, yes. Thank you for choosing DTLR. Enjoy the rest of your day, sir.
We got some boxes. Oh, they have extra laces. I didn't even peep that. That's cool. Yo, I just found out I hit on the infrareds, my size. It is the 16th and today I woke up to a DTLR cancellation. But the good news is that they shipped out my other 2 orders, so those can't get canceled anymore. We are currently in front of Foot Locker. The objective for today is to get a size 9 and a size 10 in the infrareds. It's for a friend. We will be selling them to him.
You see, okay, who was behind you?
No, the deal with
The lady?
the lady and then me.
Okay, so just give me 1 second, don't let nobody to. What size do you need? Alright, no, we only have 11 and 12 available.
11.
You say the 11?
The 11, how much you gonna?
I'll let it go for $250.
I give you 240 right now.
Give me a favor, I know you're gonna serve the soup to the guys, just do it outside, please. Okay?
Okay, sorry about that.
No, it's fine.
We just picked up another pair from Foot Locker because we failed to get a size 9, but these run kind of big, so we got an 8.5 for our friend. And we are back with the infrareds. To be honest, I'm not expecting a ton of profit off of these, but what I did need was Foot Locker rewards points because I barely hit reservations. And I thought these infrareds would be the best way to get my points up as well as making a few extra bucks on the side. Another package came in. It is Sunday and I'm about to head out to Stadium Goods and Flight Club. I just look at the prices for each of my shoes for both Stadium Goods and Flight Club, and wherever it sells for higher, that's where I will drop it off. Okay, so I am back home. I am almost at 1,000 subscribers and I've decided to do a Q&A video. To submit your question, go to my Instagram page at BOTTERBOYNOVA. This is my new Instagram page. Follow me and then comment your question on this post. I will check if you are following me, so if you're not following me and you submit a question, I will just straight up ignore you. Only 1 question per person. And you can ask me any question you want, I will answer all of them. So if you're thinking about asking anything, I would highly suggest you do it right now, because once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will put the Instagram page on private, and then you won't be able to ask me a question anymore until my next Q&A. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will do the Q&A video right away. So I'm looking forward to your questions, and hopefully I see you in the next episode. Peace.